Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. In my efforts of discussing questions that may trap you in job interview, today another important question I have brought to discuss before you, that is, can you work under pressure? Now this is something, though it may at first instance appear to you very simple one. Can you work under pressure? If you are unprepared, if you are not proactive in your approach, you may happen to be telling simply yes or no. But this is something which is expecting more from you, more than your yes or your no. Now let us try to have more insight into this question. Whenever this question is asked, what is expected from you, or in what better way you can speak about? No matter what career field you enter, pressure is going to be an aspect of it. When an interviewer asks, can you work under pressure? He or she is looking for more than just a simple yes or no answer, as earlier I spoke about. First, the hiring manager is trying to see you if you understand the differences between pressure and stress. Yes, very clearly, one should be very clear about the terms pressure and interest. They are related one but two different ones. Pressure should be viewed as a positive motivator while stress is negative, harmful when it occurs too often. Pressure may give you an anxiety or it may talk about the exigency of a work, that targeted or timely result you have to give. Timely deliverables are expected from you, but stress is something which is negative. Next, the employer will want to hear about an example of a time you were under pressure and rose to the occasion to complete a task. Yes, this is a great question to bring your past experiences. That whatever good things you had dealt with, this is something where you can reveal your positive things related to dealing with pressure. There is a trap, an easy question, but you want to make your answer believable. Bringing up relevant skills and experience is an excellent way to address the question so that the hiring manager does not think you are just answering yes purely because you think that is the best answer. There are certain points that you can keep in your mind. One, discuss a time when you were under pressure to finish something and you succeeded finally. Next, talk about how pressure makes you a better performer, a better worker, isn't it? Another point you must keep in mind, relate your past experiences to what will be expected of you in this new position. Try to match with what organization wants from you. Recognize the fact that pressure is in fact a part of the job. There is nothing wrong with feeling pressured, and some people actually thrive under it. Assure the interviewer that when things get tough, you will be able to handle it and handle it in a more better way because you are a better performer, better worker. Now, there are certain points that you must be avoiding. Although feeling pressured is not ideal, you still need to tackle it head on and avoid falling into these common traps and mistakes when asked this question. There are another couples of points which you should be avoiding here as I wanted to discuss. First, don't say that there has never been a time where you felt pressure because this is something which is ideal. It is not possible. Don't confuse pressure with stress and talk about a time you were overly stressed out. That may go negative. Avoid talking a time where feeling pressured was a result of your own actions. Don't portray pressure in a negative light. Whenever you prepare answer to this question, these 4 points you must keep in mind. It's okay to feel pressure every now and then, and hiring manager will want to know that when a lot is being put on your plate, you will face it with enthusiasm. Now, what could be a simple answer to this? Let me tell you, this is not something which in toto you would be speaking. Rather, this is something which can provide you a lot of insight in preparing your own answer to this question. One, like one answer of the one which is a good one type is this, that I consistently work under pressure in my current position and I feel like I have become a better worker because of it. Through my previous experiences, I will be able to react well to any situation that I come across in this position and be a true asset to the organization. An employer will want to know how you will react to various circumstances of the job, and by answering honestly, you will be showing them to you are best qualified for the position. Let me tell you. Another better answer we may have goes like this. Often pressure challenges me to perform better. I am in a customer support role in my present organization. No 2 days are similar, and we as a team always have to be on our toes to ensure everything is fine. I believe that we encourage a panic situation just by reacting to it. The trick is to stay calm and figure a way out. It is not always easy, but it is not impossible either. In my case, I will review the facts or the issues calmly and then respond to the query or purpose a solution will, all while maintaining calm. This could be another simple answer. It is in my current job that I discovered that I perform better under pressure. I enjoy undertaking challenging assignments and coming up with relevant solutions. In the last quarter, we as a team had two different projects that were both due the same week. Under my leadership, we did a lot of brainstorming session as how to bring out the best in the team, and I delegated certain tasks as per our plan, and the ultimate result was a huge success. It was a Herculean task, but at the end, what mattered most was the excellent teamwork, dedication, and timely delivery. So actually that is what is expected from you. I believe job pressure is as inevitable as life itself. So I try and take out the emotional factors and work hard. I always prioritize and organize my work, and hence that keeps me as over pressure. Whenever time becomes a constraint, I put in some extra effort and time to meet the deadline. In a way, pressure has nothing to do with my work. It is part of my work and I have accepted it. Now you see how nice this answer is. So these are the simple answers that you can learn from. I hope that you have liked this video tutorial. My upcoming video tutorial will be on what makes you angry. Let me tell you that more video tutorials on management subjects, interview questions, and developing personality and soft skills are available on my YouTube channel or classes. Definitely you have liked it, that I suppose. And if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.